Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about Rekenreks in lesson 6.6 and the team number 15. So here we go. Boys and girls, we've learned all about a 10 frame and how important it can be when we are working with our team numbers. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new math tool called a Rekenrek. A Rekenrek helps us to see our combinations to 10 and allows us to show our team numbers quickly. Remember, smart mathematicians are able to represent numbers efficiently. That means quickly. I'm sad that we're not together and you won't be able to experience your own Rekenrek. So I'm going to show you how they're used. Okay? So this is a Rekenrek. Okay? They stand up like this. This one you can see pretty well. The little ones that we use in class, if I stand it up, you won't be able to see the beads on it. So, do you notice that there are two colors? There are 5 white and 5 red, which makes 10 on each row. We're going to count the say 10 way on our Rekenrek. First, we slide our first row because we know there are 10 in a team number, right? So we slide our first row, and then using the say 10 way of counting, we count 10, 1 as we slide our first bead on the next row. 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5. What number did we count to? Yes, 15. 15 is 10 and 5 or 10, 5. Did you notice that you can easily see the 10 and the 5 because of the coloring of the beads? We know that there's 5 white and 5 red, which makes 10 on each row. So if I slide all those beads over, we know right away that there's 10. And then because I have all 5 red slid over, we know that there's 5. And we know 10 and 5 make 15. Okay, let's practice another one. I'm going to slide my beads back, and I'm going to pull one of my teen cards. Let's try this teen number, which is 12. Yes, 12 is another one of those teen numbers that doesn't end in the word teen or doesn't have the word teen in it. So sometimes it's tricky to remember it's a teen number, but it is because it has one group of 10 and some more. So if I'm making 12, I know that it has a group of 10, so I'm going to slide all of my first row of beads over, and I have 10, and then I'm going to use my say 10 way of counting until I get 12. 10, 1, 10, 2. 10 and 2 or 10, 2 make 12. Okay? 10, 2 make 12. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. 10, the 1 represents the group of 10, the 3 represents my some more. So, I know I need a group of 10, so I start with a group of 10 and use my say 10 way of counting. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 3. 10 and 3 make 13. And that's how I use my Rekenrek to show teen numbers. Let's do one more. let's try this one. So, you tell me, what am I going to start with first? Yep, I'm going to start with a group of 10, so I slide my whole first row over because I know that's 10 already. And now I'm going to count. I notice that I have some more. 4. I have 4 more, so I'm going to start sliding my beads using the say 10 way. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4. 10 and 4, or 10, 4, make 14. And that's how we use a Rekenrek, boys and girls. Hopefully when you get back to school, you'll be able to practice with a Rekenrek sometime too. All right, go ahead and complete your independent practice and submit it to me. Have a great day. I miss you.